Èmi lẹ́kùn, ṣe máa bá nínú gbó. Ṣàpọ̀lọ́ ló mú yín lójú ni àbí ẹ̀ ń fa gbó. Mega Boy, let them know, sínú àpọ̀t náà. Mo láyò ṣì so bọ̀dá yóò sọ pọ̀t náà. But Mega Boy ló sọ náà robo. A kàn ní pé tayà síbí ní pé àwọn àzóbò. Ẹ wá bẹ́ sí wa máa mú wọn bí ti bóbò. Mega Boy king of papa, èmi aládò. You dey feel the rap like a crazy jeans. Àti kékeré lẹ́yìn náà tí wọ́n crazy. Me, I don't like this, but rumble every time, every day. They say Mega, you know the fumble. Mo rap, and they build shape photo. King of Papa, I mini photo. I don't like every day just to video me. Even if I sing, everybody just a video me. But still, only for more local. Mega Boy, you were cool. Let me be. I don't like everything, but love me now. I want daddy go with me, but I want mommy. Oh my God, me, oh my family. Mommy, you can't do anything about buffaloes of chain. Then you might be got no sky now. That's my baby. Your slide now. The one week, them are right, them are crying. Now make a by anybody pushing me for my die now. I don't like everything just to block on her. But they want money play more fuck on her. Make a buy things like you look on her. They want the best of him. I know you be knock on her. I don't like everything but the shy you. Emotini, at the shy you. I want the mini queer Mega Boy fuck. But I you jump canning, but I'm not on your pool. Say the buy, never one I want to be a but I want to my power in the shackle. What? Then they say Mega Boy this one a vicious. The Bible full page me low mini of fish. Okay. Yeah, the rap. But to force Sada. Okay. If you thought you would travel like that, it's Sada. Okay. Mega King of Papa, till that Sada. Okay. Shy till the other, the Sada. Okay. Only Mega, I swear, put your bite now. Okay. We shall tell that team woman a white now. Okay. You're the Jerry and Miss Sight now. But now, Papa, for 11, in my free right now.
081 78 93 2125. And then the sister will start.
I'm his sister. Is like it as it was said earlier, his Instagram page is at official Megabyte.
Thank you.
Yeah, your number now.
Official Megabyte.
Yeah,
so if you want to contact me to my phone number is 080 9746 9450.
Yeah, it's a boy, Mega Boy. My name is Mega Boy, and this is my mom, this is my sister. This is my biological mother. Look at that. You don't borrow out. Look at that. You don't borrow out too. Bye-bye.
To contact you.
Once contact me, you can contact my mom or him.
At official
Mega Boy.
Yeah, no, sure.